What is a blue chip stock? A blue chip stock is a huge company with an excellent reputation. They're typically large, well-established, and financially sound, and have operated for many years. Okay, so what does that mean? Coca-Cola is a perfect example of a blue chip stock. It was founded in 1886, pays a dividend, and has a market cap in the hundreds of billions. If you're worried about it surviving the current pandemic, just know it survived the Great Depression, the market crash of 1987, and all of the crashes in between. All of these companies have been around for decades, so whether you invest in tech or consumer goods or the medical sector, you'll find something that fits your needs. Let's take a look at Warren Buffett's hedge fund, Berkshire Hathaway. Some of his major holdings are highlighted blue, coincidence? And they're blue chip stocks. So next time you think about investing in a company, think, what would Warren Buffett do?